Look, guys, not a sight often seen by man. She's doing paperwork.
Ha, don't kid yourself.
And doing it so well.
Think he's the king of tarping, but he doesn't touch paperwork.
That's right. I'm not any good. I can't spell or write or anything.
Scanning stuff in on the computer has nothing to do with spelling.
Well, wait a minute. I did set that up for you. Look, she's got her chocolate bar handy.
That's
She
why I
still has.
tolerate you.
She still has the chocolate bar from 2 days ago.
Yeah, it's the same chocolate bar.
And I ate half of it. I'm going out. You keep working there, girl.
Girl, you are the one. You're the only one that will always shine in my heart like a million suns. Call my name and I will be there. Want you to know I will always care. Walk with me side by side. Oh, yeah. No, we'll never need to hide. And I will care for you. Yeah, I will care for you. Yeah, I will
Hey, fellas, what's wrong with your face over there? Oh, it's this. I was like, it was the ring. Oh, my God. It's the right area. Have you guys ever heard of women's winter? You know what I'm talking about?
Yes, I do.
Explain women's winter to us.
It's called summer.
Is that what it is?
Yes. We were having this conversation here because he had the truck turned on and the air conditioner cranked up.
It is 77 degrees and we're in the direct sun. I haven't found a tree to park up under like I should.
Are you done interrupting me?
Well, somebody's coming toward our truck, so I might have to cut this off.
He don't want us.
Okay, that's good.
We're in Seattle. So 77 degrees is a cool 77 degrees. It's beautiful out.
If you're in the clink,
The
a steel metal box in jail in the ground or whatever, if you're in a metal box in the sun at 77 degrees, it's going to be 100 degrees in the box before
we
long.
have a bunk air conditioner, but apparently that ain't good enough. Apparently he needs the truck on with the big air conditioner. I don't see how now he informed me that I'm a woman, so I'm always cold, and then when I get old I'll always be hot. Well, I'll have you know, his stuff don't work right either because he had a heat stroke. He can look at the sun and start sweating. So I don't think he should get to choose what temperature it is in here based on his feelings either.
Every man knows that a woman will freeze you to death, and then when she gets older, she'll run you out of the house because she goes through menopause, and it starts out as menopause and then it turns into full-blown nuclear,
crazy paws?
Yeah, crazy paws, right? Can't help it, right? I understand. And then she runs you out of the house and says, "What do you mean? What do you mean?" Because she either turns the heat up to 5,000 degrees or down to 0 when it's Arctic winter out there, right? They can't. It's just a body thing.
I didn't even want nothing on. It's beautiful here. Where's my phone? I'll tell you the actual temperature.
It is beautiful.
It's beautiful. A little bit of air conditioning in the back, circulating the air, cooling it down a little bit. It's fine. We don't need the air conditioner on freezing cold full blast like we ain't in Arizona where it's 110 degrees.
It would be nice if it was up here too, though, but it's just back there. So up here, and this is my area of operation.
No, I was up here doing paperwork.
You were back there doing
paperwork.
paperwork.
What's this? How long have I
She
been sitting
just
up here?
moved up here to do this paperwork.
Oh my gosh.
The word filing is a new thing in her vocabulary.
It doesn't even
Trust me
exist
on
in
that.
yours.
It does too. It's just little wads of paper scrumpled up and stuffed in. I know there's a method to my sickness. There is.
I really might cut his tongue out today.
Look, I got sweat right here. Perspiration.
It's because you had a heat stroke. That's probably
That's true.
some cologne or something.
I don't
A
have.
person would not be sweating just sitting there.
I don't have any foo-foo juice, so I done walked over there to the truck stop 4 times trying to get some exercise, you know.
precious, so unique. You showed me how deep my love could be. Let's fly till we can't no more. Want you to know you're the one I care for. Walk with me side by side. Oh, yeah. No, we'll never need to hide. And I will care for you. Yeah, I will care for you. Yeah, I will
Burping, apparently she
And
got some food or
I took
something.
them to the bathrooms too. I need to feed
I
them
took
again.
him to the bathroom too.
I'm just saying, I was out there in the. It was nice in the shade. It was great.
You hear this? He's so abused.
Hey.
He's overworked.
Hey, there's some shade.
I just don't know what he's going to do with him. And it's also a hill, so when we go to sleep, we'll be rolling over on each
We
other.
won't go to sleep because at nighttime it is cool enough. But why don't we? I'm gonna move over there into the shade here in just a minute. Problem taken care of. Windows be coming down.
He's lying. He's going to be like, oh, it's too hot. We
Uh-uh.
won't bother telling them, but it's too hot.
No.
I'm turning the air back on.
No, that air back there will be on, but then it'll be cooler up here because of the shade. I like the shade. I think you should always strive to find a you ever seen them speed goats out in Wyoming in the summertime? There'd be 20 of them lined up in the shade of a telephone pole. If you ain't seen them, watch. And then as the sun changes, they change pace with that shadow and stay in that shadow of that telephone pole all day long. It's hilarious.
Do they know what a speed goat is?
An antelope. That's what it is. And they probably know that. And if they don't, they can look it up.
They do now.
They do now, right? But I'm like a speed goat. I follow the shade. I'll move over to that tree, move over to that tree.
I have to follow the shade too, because if I don't, I will burn and fry to a crisp like a little piece of bacon.
You will.
But I like a little bit of warmth. He's over here wanting icicle land.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
If it gets because even if it gets hot, we could go to the bowling alley. We're gonna go bowling today if we don't get a load. That's gonna be hilarious, I bet. I forgot how to bow. I bet she throws it in the next lane. I'm gonna get it on film.
Ah, the nerve, ye of little faith.
I'm gonna set the camera up on go fast
Is
mode.
this going to be a friendly competition or a fierce competition of bowling?
I'll play you for your socks.
I don't have socks on.
I'm already a winner then.
Well, I'll have to take socks though, because we'll have to rent bowling shoes. You don't want to wear somebody else's bowling shoes with no socks.
No, please don't.
Look at your face.
That's bad. What?
He's growling at your
Why
dirty face.
Why? Little dog went psycho this morning. He thought I was the girl, and he bit me like 16 times through the cover.
Yeah, because he thought he was
He's
me.
never done that. And then when he realized it was me and all my fingers was in his mouth, he just stopped. And just left my fingers in there. It was kind of funny. He's a good boy.
No, he ain't. He wouldn't have bit you if he knew it was you. He was trying to bite me.
Someone asked about the tears on your little dog, the dark spots. There's not. It's like a poodle. They have light fur, so when they cry, it leaves dark rings. You can take hot water and wash that off.
No, he can take
I could take hot water and wash it off.
I
She
have
couldn't.
attempted to wipe it off before with like baby wipes and stuff, and all I get out of it's bit.
But it will come back the next day because as soon as we go in the truck stop and leave him here, he's gonna cry like a little girl. And
Like
then
we leave him so much.
yeah, you're a weird little family unit in a truck, right? I mean, you're a family unit at home too, but this is more like a dog pack. We are a pack, and every once in a while we squabble and bite each other. But generally, we just dog pal on top of each other and make a big family loving thing, right?
Well, now we have more free time, but used to, depending on what it was, we get out of the truck to eat, to shower, to use the potty. I mean, and depending on who's driving and whatever, one person might still be in the bed, even if the other person's out of the truck.
That's right.
Yeah.
We're probably going to cook today if we don't get a load. And I don't think we're getting a load. And I'm okay with that, right? We'll still turn off our money for the week that we need to turn off. But the cooking will be a different video because we've done wrapped you up all day with our stupidity. Women's winter.
No.
Women's winter.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
No, your thermostat is broken. You can say all women have broken thermostats, but your thermostat is broken also.
Your thermostat has changed a little bit since I've met you, and it's going more from nice and normal to insane. Just insane.
Oh my God.
We know where this is going. We know where it's going.
I used to like you.
You like me sometimes.
I don't know.
Yes, you do. All right. I'm going to let you guys go. We're going to go over to Naked Coffee and get a coffee. Because I'm still not awake. See y'all later.
Yeah, I will care for